Okay, the problem is a searchlight reflector is designed so that every cross-section containing its axis of symmetry is a parabola with the light source at its focus. Find the equation of the parabola if the reflector is 3 feet across at the opening and 1 foot deep. And it comes with this graph. So here's your y-axis, your x-axis. Focus here, 3 feet across and 1 foot deep. And we got to find the equation of the parabola, the equation describing this parabola. The general form of the equation for a parabola that opens to either the positive or negative x-axis is y minus k squared equals 4p x minus h, where h comma k is the center, and the focus is h plus p comma k. The directrix is x is equal to h minus p, which is the line here, that would be like here, that the distance from the focus to the parabola is equal to the distance from the directrix at all times. However, the directrix doesn't come into account in this problem. So, here we go. Well, we're given this information about the parabola, and we need to fit it into this formula somehow. Well, we can see that it is centered at the origin, or its vertex is at the origin. So h comma k is 0, 0. So that simplifies things quite a bit. Now we're down to y squared is equal to 4p x. Okay, so now we just need to find p. And right now in this equation we have 3 variables, or 3 unknowns, and we want to find one of them. So we have to find information to fulfill 2 of the unknowns. And we can actually do that by picking a point. And you can see they give us this point here by saying it is the x-coordinate is 1 foot, and the y-coordinate would be 3/2. Now, of course, you could do 1.5, but it's easier to deal with fractions instead of decimals, especially in algebraic type expressions. Why is this 3/2? Well, you have 3 feet total, so each side would be to here is 3/2, and to there is 3/2. So this coordinate is 1, 3/2. So now we can plug that into this equation. Well, 3/2 squared is equal to 4p times 1. Well, this means that 9/4 is equal to 4p. So that leads to p is equal to, we can bring this down to the denominator, 9/16. So then, our equation describing the parabola is y squared equals 4 times 9/16 x. Now we can simplify this out, and we get y squared is equal to 9/4 x. And that is our equation describing this parabola.